Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. It's Whip Wednesday. Haven't done one of these for a while, so I thought I would pop on and show you all of the work in progress. Well, there's rather a lot of it, which means I need to get my act together and get some of this stuff finished. So as you know, I made this tutorial. Put the fan back, need that. I made this tutorial for this baby blanket, not a baby, and I edged it in the white large squares. So mostly when you do things with squares, you get this natural kind of scalloped kind of edge, and I thought I would do something in keeping with that, but I don't really want to do a massive border because I've got this big white edge. So in order to do that means a few rows, which I think would just be too many. So I'm just going to put a simple little either double crochet border or a half treble, which is a half double in the US. Sorry, I'm wobbling. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just going to put that on, and so that one will then be finished. I don't think you need me to do a tutorial for that, unless anybody really wants me to, because they've done that blanket and they want me to do it, then I will. So now I've got this one, which is just gorgeous to feel, because this is so soft, this fluffy bit. This is my mile a minute. It's my new baby mile a minute blanket, which has a tutorial. I've just got to finish them all off. I don't know whether I'm going to use that one actually, because I only did one of those in the centre, but I've got all my strips all ready, and let me just check in there that there's nothing else. No other whips lurking in there. No, that's it. Oh, it's a Whip Wednesday, and there's also going to be yarn. I did get some yarn today. I know I said I wouldn't. Well, I didn't actually. People said don't buy yarn. But it's like telling an alcoholic not to drink, isn't it? But no, I had to get a little bit of yarn for one of my whips, so I did. And I also bought these. I've been looking for these for ages, and they're just double-sided tape pads. You know, the little sticky square tapes, because there's a company here where you can buy these photo frames. Well, they're just photo cubes, should I say. This was the first one I ever got. It was Harley when he was a baby. I've got one of Paul that is actually stuck to the wall in the bedroom, and one of me and Tyler that is stuck to the wall, but the rest are not stuck to the wall. That's me, Paul and Mike. They don't look, well, Paul does, but Mike don't really look like that anymore. So yeah, I want to put them on the wall, and I was thinking I might put them on the wall in here, maybe on the far end or something. But these are long since no longer sticky, because they came from my other bedroom. So I've been trying to find a place to get these, and I thought if I can't find them, I'll buy them online. I'll try these, and if they don't turn out to be strong enough, then I will get some others. But I'll get one free cube picture a month, one free one a month. And I've been not buying any. Well, you do buy them because you buy the postage and packing, so you still pay. But I've not been getting any because I thought I've got so many that I can't put up at the moment. I'll need to sort that out before I get any more. So that's that. And have I got any whips in this box? I don't think so. It's just some pastel shade yarn, and this one, another just a pastel shade, but this one has whips in it. So let's see. Now the reason I bought some yarn was for this one, because as I showed you the other day, wasn't so sure about this colour here. If it was for a small project, wouldn't be quite so bad, but it's going to be a pocket shawl. So this cream is just a little bit too bright, and so I got some grey. So I bought this today. Now I went into Pound Stretcher, and this is the Yarn Fair Tootsie, which I've been using quite a lot of recently to make some baby items. It's really lovely and soft. So this grey one is not sort of school jumper grey, if you know what I mean, and I figured that might look better. If it doesn't, then I did, you know, when I went to Chatham and I did my little shop, I did buy this grey. So I will either, this was the grey I bought for the texture blanket. I was going to show you that at another time, and I probably still will. But it's either going to be this one or this one. I'll just do a little swatch, see what it looks like, and then decide. So that's another whip. Oopsie. And close your eyes, Madonna. Close your eyes. I am doing some knitting. And I did show it the other day, but it's tangled a bit on this yarn, so I'd be careful. And here we are. I'm actually in the middle of a row. So this is moss stitch. I like the moss stitch. I think it's nice. And then I did a plain bit. I'm going to put something there. There's going to be a motif of some sort. And then at the other end, it's just a scarf, because I don't think I have enough of that to make anything huge. Excuse me. Just need to pick up this yarn. So there's the rest of that. Put that in there. So the other whip, the only other whip I think you've seen long ago, and it's in here. Got some more pastel shade. I'll put it over there. Got a little project in mind. Getting some more yarn together. Is the chair, and I'm still not finished the chair, but I will get to grips with that very, very soon. I just need to sew the other two sides on and make a corner and get to grips with making the cover. I've done these sections ready. I just need to attach them and then close my corners so that it's kind of a corner like that, and then find a way of putting it on that I'm happy with. These are the mile a minute ones I didn't like before. So I think that's it with my current whips. I don't think I have any more. I've got many more in my head. That's only in my head though. So yeah, what did I buy? I bought some of this and I didn't know how much I'd need, because it's a pocket shawl at the end of the day, so could possibly need a fair amount. And it's 69p per ball, which is just incredible value, and always amazes me. And it is silver, the shade, number 322461. Silver. It's a nice colour. It's not kind of like you imagine school jumpers to look, so I did get quite a bit of that just for that whip. And I think I got about 8 or 10. Oh, there's some more in here. That wasn't all I got. Well, as I was in there, Gary encouraged me. I blame Gary. He was, what about this one? I did leave a lot behind. I did, honest. So yeah, I got some quite fair bit of this so that I could definitely have enough to make that, and not have to use the cream colour, which cream is nice, don't get me wrong, it's a nice colour, but it's not, oh dear. Right, so I think in here, what's that? Oh, it's a Christmas present. I bought a Christmas present for Gary while we were out. So I think that's all the yarn. That's his Christmas present. So yes, now they've had this a long time and I've never used it, and I've always wanted to try it. It's called Poodle, and I've mentioned it before because it does actually remind me of Negan. His fur, it is so much like a poodle. But look at that giant ball. He was a giant poodle and this is a giant ball. And they're $2.99, these balls. And getting a fibre in my eye. The fan has blown it in there, I think. So these are 200 grams. They are warm, maximum wash 40 degrees in the machine. 100% acrylic, but you would think that they were premium acrylic. Oh, they're so soft. They really are mega soft. Now this is kind of a purple. I know it doesn't really look it in this light. Let me see if I can swap the light over. Not really going to look purple, is it? I don't know why, but it is. It's purple. Purple's a very, very difficult colour to photograph. I don't know, I think I need to read, don't I? Silly me. Yeah, 200 grams, trying to find the colour. Just a PLU number. And J981 PLU is 300050. But I got 1, 2, 3 of these giant lovely fluff balls of purple and 1 grey. Now the grey feels more sturdy. I think it's probably got more in there, you know. You know, when I weighed the Poundland yarn, remember when I did that? And there was more in one, and I think there's definitely more in this one. But this one is, there's no colours on them, are there? No, just numbers, which is 300050. J981, I think that's the same number actually. So yeah, lovely actually. I really like them, and I'm going to have fun making something with that. So that's really all I got. I mean, there was loads, and Gary was like, well, what about this? Why didn't you get that? Why didn't I go? No, I mustn't, you know. Hold me back. Hold me back. Really. But I think I did really well, being really restrained, considering. But I love this. I've liked it for a long time. They've had various colours of this poodle. But yes, going to give it a try, and it actually does have little poodles on the label. Can you see them? There's one. So yeah, I'm going to have a go with that. I know I've got a kind of a project in mind for it. Hope I've got enough. I think I should, because there's 600 grams. And that's really all the purple they had. I could have got one more of the grey, but this is just going to be an accent colour for this. It's just to go like a contrast, an accent colour. So yeah, isn't it lovely? I've never used it. I'm hoping it's not difficult to work with. Shouldn't be. But so I'm going to go do a swatch and see what it looks like with grey, and if it looks better then I'll start that pretty soon once I've got some of this out the way. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Take care, stay safe, bye for now everyone. Oh, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Bye for now.